Here's the setup for LEGO Robotics Competition 2016. The board is laid out so it's 4 foot wide by 5 inches deep, 5 feet deep. The safe area is 2 foot by 2 foot with the black X in it on the bottom left. And then you have all the other different apparatuses, whatever you want to say, throughout the board. They pretty much are laid out on a grid using the tiles that will get closer as we go. They're either on the half tile or a full tile, and you can see them lined up. So the point system is right here on the board. I'm not going to explain it all. You can pause it and take a look at all of them. There's just the 8 events: the shake light, yellow blue gate, special package, soccer shot, master key, ring pull, bar door, ring drop, and then the bonuses and penalties. This is what I'm calling the shake light. Basically, it's a little box that the robot comes and grabs a piece and tries to get the light bulb showing right there. It's in the bottom right square, right in the middle. I put a piece of tape to mark where it's at. The yellow blue gate, or YB gate, basically the robots need to turn the apparatus 90 degrees, either pushing on the yellow or the blue. Once they make it 90 degrees, you're all good to go. Yellow is 50 points and blue is 100 points. Here's a special package that I put a piece of tape in the center of the top right square, the far right square I guess it'd be. Basically the robot grabs the package, brings it all the way back to the safe zone, and then scores double points for bringing it back to the square where it's at. The soccer shot is that thing with the that looks like a soccer goal. Basically, the robot's got to start in the safe zone with the soccer ball, leave the safe zone entirely, and take a shot on goal. They can do this up to 10 times for points. Just like that. The master key, basically it's just 500 points if they can figure out how to accurately get a key placed in the top left, bottom middle, and bottom right to pop the flag up. The ring pull, it's in the top left corner, in the middle. They basically pull the ring out, and then the doors pop down, and then they get points if they bring the ring all the way back. The bar door, it works like a regular outside door. Basically, they just have to flip down the handle and then push it back. Try not to break the door. So the ring drop, there's 7 rings that start in the safe area. The 8th one is actually with the ring pull. They need to get as many as they can into that center box. And this is at the end of the competition. So if they get all 8, there's also a bonus of 100 points. Speaking of the bonus and penalty, if they don't touch their robot outside of the safe zone at all, it's 100 points. Every sensor they use, and it's actually in the program, and you can see it during the event, is 100 points, so that's up to 400 points. And then 100 points per event that they score points in. So there's 8 events, it could be an 800 point bonus. It tries to get them to use all the different events. The penalties, minus 10 every time they touch it outside of the base, the safe. Minus 50 if they let it go outside of the out of bounds, like the entire way. Basically teaches them not to let them do that. And then the minus 100 for each event they break. That basically something that they can't just reset up, that the Legos actually break apart a little bit. Total is about
3,000 points exactly. And they work on it Wednesday and Thursday for the actual competition on Friday.